What's up, guys? This is Josh with HDFlorida.com. I'm here at the beautiful Harley-Davidson of Tampa facility. You can see our mural behind me. I'm here with this 2023 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special in bright billiard blue and billiard gray. The Street Glide is essentially the older brother to the Road Glide that I talked about in the last video. I'll put a link up in the top right hand corner of this video to that video. Harley-Davidson put the first ever fork-mounted batwing fairing on the Electric Glide back in 1969. That's how far back this fairing design goes. Obviously, it's undergone a bunch of design changes since then, most notably the addition of that vent in the middle back in 2014 with the Rushmore project. Project Rushmore is responsible for some of the upgrades we still see on the bikes today, specifically these floating rotors and the Brembo-designed 4-piston brake calipers. The chopped engine guard is included from the factory again this year, which is awesome. Love to see it. The 2023 Street Glide Special is equipped with the 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine, producing approximately 118 foot-pounds of torque from the factory. Peak torque being made down low in the rev range like it is on this engine makes this bike excellent at moving around on the highway. We added these 12-inch KST handlebars to this Street Glide for 3 reasons. 1, they look really cool. 2, they're more comfortable for most people than the stock handlebars. And 3, they give you a little bit more control over the vehicle, which not only makes the ride safer, but more enjoyable. We've also added these Rinehart mufflers to the bike, just to add a little bit more of that rumble, no real performance gain there. While anti-lock brakes and electronic link braking are standard on all Street Glide Specials, this bike comes with the optional RDRS system. The RDRS package includes 6 additional safety systems to help keep the ride just that much more safe and enjoyable for a rider and a passenger. The last little touch we did to this motorcycle, you can see here, are the Harley-Davidson ring LED turn signals. We did them in the front and as the taillight turn signals in the rear. All right, guys, that's all I got for you today on this 2023 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special. We do test rides every day. All you need is 4 things: boots, pants, a helmet, and a motorcycle license. Just those 4 things, and you're down the road with one of our highly qualified sales associates to get into the nitty-gritty in this motorcycle. Make sure it fits you perfectly before you take it home. I'm going to put 2 more videos on the screen for you right here if you want to keep watching more of the 2023 Harley-Davidson model information. If you like the video, please like the video. Subscribe if you want to keep up with all the cool stuff we make. And if you don't want to do any of those things, I hope you have a great day.